While historians aren't exactly sure what first brought the Walsers here, it's clear that many of the people who still live in Liechtenstein's mountainous areas are direct descendants of those early settlers.
A great way to dip into a new culture is to look at things that people create. In many ways, crafts tell the story of a place and how it's evolved.
Chainsaw carving is the modern incarnation of an ancient art, reaching back to the time when early humans began gouging wood with sharp rocks to create basic tools for survival. Patrick Walser is an award-winning chainsaw artist. He has a passion for creating objects out of raw tree trunks, using only the single tool. He used his skill to breathe life into those carved figures we saw back on the trail. He gives me a lesson in Chainsaw Carving 101.
So you can cut down and
in, yeah.
And on the back side,
yeah,
this one also can go away. We said we make an awl.
Yeah, that sounds like something we can create relatively easily.
Yeah, yeah. You can say it when you want that I make a little bit faster, so you can carve the face in the end.
What's next? Oh, this, yeah.
Well, if you can't tell, it's an owl. I've had a lot of fun here, though, and I might even take this up when I get home.